Welcome to the MobLab Quick Start video. This video features creating a new class through configuring a MobLab activity for classroom implementation. Beginning in the MobLab instructor console, select New Class from the Class drop-down menu. Name your class in the resulting pop-up and choose the MobLab payment type and click Create. To invite students to join your class, select Roster from the Class drop-down menu. Select Invitations to the right. You may either paste a list of email addresses or upload a CSV file. Sending invites will send a registration email to your students. Sent invitations are displayed in the Pending tab. Students participate in playlists of games and surveys generated by the instructor. To create a playlist, click the plus button next to the playlist label. This name will be displayed to students. To add content to a playlist, drag and drop activity cards from the library. You may also hover over library content to participate in a demo or read instructional guides. All MobLab content is pre-configured with default parameters. You may adjust any configuration by selecting an item in your playlist and modifying its setup. Refer to key treatment variations in the instructor guide or work with our support team to modify an activity to meet your classroom learning objectives. See the student perspective of the activity, including your specified parameters, by pressing Preview. To run an activity with students, select a pre-configured item in your playlist. Click on the instructions to review the rules of play. Clicking Run will allow students to join an active session card. As students join, their status will be displayed in your instructor console. No need to wait for full participation. Students may continue to enter after the session begins. As students enter the activity, they are automatically placed into groups with assigned roles and values specified in the game parameters. With the activity underway, your instructor console will switch into the Monitor tab so that you may monitor student progress. If a group is not full, there is an option to add robot players to fill the group. When the status column indicates that the groups have completed the activity, click Finish. To view the aggregate class data, click Results. Well, that's our quick start. For more videos like this one, or to work with a MobLab team member, click this support button